They say respect can't be demanded. It has to be earned. But here's the truth. Most men never learn. Women don't respect you because of your muscles, your money, or your words. They respect you because of your boundaries, the invisible lines you draw, the principles you refuse to compromise on. And if you lack them, no amount of charm will ever save you. So listen closely, because once you understand these 5 boundaries, you'll never look at relationships the same way again. The first boundary is your time. Most men give it away freely as if it has no value. They wait endlessly for her text. They cancel their plans to please her. They let her dictate their schedule. But a man who lives by Stoic principles knows that time is the one resource he can never get back. When you treat your time as sacred, she will too. The moment you stop being always available, you become more valuable. Respect is born in scarcity. The second boundary is how you allow yourself to be spoken to. Too many men let disrespect slide. They laugh it off thinking it's harmless, but every time you let a degrading comment pass, you silently tell her, it's okay to lower my value. A Stoic man doesn't explode in anger, but he makes it clear, with calm authority, that disrespect is not tolerated. Your silence in these moments is not strength. Your boundary is the third boundary, is your purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men on a mission, but many men abandon theirs the moment they fall in love. They lose themselves thinking sacrifice equals devotion. But the moment you give up your path, she begins to lose respect. A Stoic man knows his purpose comes first, because without it, he becomes hollow. And no woman wants to follow a man who has nothing to follow himself. The fourth boundary is your emotions, not in the sense of never showing them, but in refusing to let them be controlled. If she can provoke you into rage, if she can shatter your peace with a single word, you've handed her your power. The true Stoic holds his composure. He can feel everything, pain, joy, frustration, but he never lets his emotions dictate his actions. This boundary tells her, I am not a boy. I am a man who governs himself. And the fifth boundary is what you will not tolerate in a relationship: cheating, lies, manipulation. Many men draw these lines in theory, but when faced with them, they bend, forgive, and stay. But the Stoic man does not compromise with poison. His boundary is unbreakable. He would rather walk alone with dignity than live together in betrayal. Here's the twist. These boundaries are not just about women, they're about you. A man who cannot respect himself will never earn respect from anyone else. And once you master these 5 boundaries, you'll notice something extraordinary. Women don't just respect you more, you respect yourself more. And that, above all, is where true strength comes from. If this message hit you deep, don't let it be the last time. Subscribe, like the video, and keep walking the path of strength. Because the world doesn't need more men who bend. It needs men who stand